Hello everyone, in this video I'll present our work Knowledge-Based Metaverse for Crafts. So we have designed an interactive and knowledge-driven metaverse for heritage crafts. And for that we're using CAG, Knowledge Augmented Generation framework, which includes LLMs and knowledge graphs, and thus they can represent both factual and procedural knowledge. Then there's a 3D guide which talks about the artifacts and the process of how these artifacts are made. Users can also interact with the artifacts by virtually holding them and rotating them. Next, we'll discuss the methodology. In this, we'll discuss the framework. So we have two parts, interaction part and the backend part. So a user asks a question to a 3D guide, and then the speech is converted to the text through an AI model called Whisper. CAG generates a response, and then for again the text is generated back to the audio using another AI model called Wits. And lastly, an API is there for integration between the Python's CAD code and the 3D environment. Next, we have results. So for the data, we have Bonecraft data from the 4 artisans, and in total, we have 73 question answer pairs. Now I'm showing you here a few of the snippets from the Craftverse. The first one talks about where the user is asking about what is Bonecraft, and then the next is what tools are used. In the next, a user grabs an artifact and asks the question regarding an artifact and who made an artifact. So our model is correctly answering all the questions. Now to quantitatively assess our model, we have two metrics: F1 score and LLM accuracy. We have achieved F1 score of 0.6135 on 20% of our data. And now in the conclusion, we have used Bonecraft data as a prototype, and this can be extended to the more craft types. Also in the future, we'll cover multi-user environment with multilingual 3D guide. Thank you.